everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a clean, declutter and organise with me video in my glam kitchen. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I'm going to start first of all with my fridge. Now, I love using this multi-purpose cleaner by Stripe, guys. It's just from Woolies and it's the pomegranate and vanilla scent. And oh my goodness, it smells so divine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the fridge magnets off and give my fridge a really good clean down. I then started to remove everything from the back of my kitchen as well as my hot plates. So I started cleaning down the hot plates as well as my splashback. Now I get asked a lot about my splashback. It's actually pressed tin metal, guys, that the previous owners of my home installed. But I have to be very careful in terms of when I clean it because things like splashing oil and so forth can certainly get in the little grooves of the pressed tin. But I tend to stay on top of that every fortnight.
If we only could talk just a little, find a place where the past is forgiven. You moved on, I am stuck in the middle. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep, I'm calling out your name, but I never wanted things to be this way, this way.
So I continued around my kitchen by giving it a very good clean down. I went round to each area and first of all wiped down everything, and then I'm going to start on decluttering.
Holding hands, smell your hair for a second. Just like I used to do, girl, what happened? In my dreams, all I see is the caption. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep, I'm calling out your name, but I never wanted things to be this way.
I then removed the decor off my range hood and I got up there and started to clean, and I was horrified, guys, up there to realise how dirty it was. I hadn't really paid attention to the top of this in about 4 or 5 months. Who can relate to not really getting on top of their range hood if you have a range hood like me? I ended up doing away with the cloth I was using and using paper towels to clean it all down.
So damn hard to forget you, and no words could explain how I miss you. Girl, I do. I'm trying to keep up my hands. I don't admit I want you back. No matter what I say, still you know I do miss you.
Now, I also love to clean down my buffalo check kitchen mat that says the word home on it. Now, again, taking that all-purpose cleaner, I clean it over with a cloth.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
Now, once the kitchen was clean, I'm going to go in and declutter a lot of my drawers. I'm going to start first of all, guys, with my craft drawer. It was an absolute nightmare. I picked up these little lunch boxes from my local dollar store. I'm going to use those as storage, as well as these little pink tubs, which are from Kmart. Now you can see here what I was dealing with. It was horrid, guys. I couldn't even open the drawer. But I decided that I'd take everything out and start fresh and really bring in only what I really need to use.
You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
I then went in and gave the drawer a really good clean down, starting first of all with my vacuum cleaner. I had so much glitter stuck to the bottom of this drawer, guys, but I do bring it up nice and clean.
Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Nowhere I'd rather be than with you. I can't believe you love me.
I can't tell you how happy I was feeling just at this point, guys. The difference in taking away something that is so cluttered and then giving it a fresh, clean look really made me feel so good inside, and I hadn't even started organising yet.
Can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky.
I then started to fill my tubs with my favourite ribbons, my glitter, as well as paints, paintbrushes. I just tried to put some sort of order in place in the drawer.
Said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here. Meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me. I guess I take it back. There's a party downtown. Someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want to what we want.
Now I use the marble containers, guys, to fill up with these crystal-like gems that I use on DIYs, as well as buttons and things like these little brooches that I always use in my DIYs. I love how sparkly and glam they are.
We're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started, in that hallway. sleep much at all these days. 'Cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we
Now, I also love to use these gold glitter letters that I pick up from Kmart, and I place those inside as well.
to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, really hope that you're coming by. But you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want.
So once that drawer was complete, I moved on to a few other drawers in my kitchen. First of all, I'm going to start off with my tea towel drawer. Now, you may remember a few months ago, guys, I reorganized this. I put the contact paper down, I bought the containers to have everything organized and in place. But unfortunately, I haven't stayed on top of it. Look how my tea towel drawer has ended up. So I'm just going to start again, remove everything, give it a good clean down, and put everything in place and organize how many tea towels I really need in this house.
Well, that's not okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body?
Now, guys, I find the easiest way to organise my tea towels in these clear containers is just to roll them up a little bit like an envelope and stack them in place. This way I can organise them and have more in the actual container than what I would do if I just folded them into a square.
We can feel all the obstacles go away. That's how we play. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move all night long? The dance goes on. I am here and I move with my body, move with my body all night long.
I then started at the top drawer. Now, again, things were in place, ready to be organised. All I had to do was pull everything out and start again.
Move with my body. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We wanna go on our own. We wanna go night and day. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? With your body.
I also did the same thing to the bottom drawer.
It's like we're running in circles, going around every day, getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday. Don't you wanna go further, away from the fray? Let's not get stuck in our worries, we'll make our own way. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd, just you and me together. It will all seem better outside, just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours
Guys, I can't tell you how happy I am that I push myself to do these jobs in my kitchen. I'm actually going to do a part 2 to this video because I want to tackle underneath my sink, my pantry, as well as where I put my glasses and my mugs. But it really made my heart so happy that I went and did these drawers again because, you know, when you open the drawers and it looks like a nightmare, it really does give you anxiety. But I'm so happy with how it came. And I mentioned, guys, that I've been suffering with a lot of arthritis pain in my right leg, and I'm really proud of myself that I got through these particular drawers. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed me decluttering, organising and cleaning my glam kitchen. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love if you would hit that subscribe button to become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.